Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete the custom passcode on your YouTube Kids account. To remove or reset the custom passcode on YouTube Kids, launch open the YouTube Kids application on your mobile device first. From the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Now, enter your current passcode and then you'll end up in the settings page. From the settings menu, go ahead and scroll down and look for the delete passcode button under parent verification. Now your custom passcode will be removed. You can then go back and whenever you open up the gear button, you will then be asked to solve a simple math problem. You can always add a custom passcode whenever you want by getting to the parent verification button and choosing set custom passcode and set a passcode again if you ever want to. And that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.